7 bedtime drinks to sleep like a baby. Fall asleep in 5 minutes. Does your brain refuse to shut off the second your head hits the pillow? You're not alone. But what if the solution wasn't a prescription, but a prescription from your pantry? In this video, we're breaking down 7 bedtime drinks, including the exact science of how they work, how to make them, and the specific benefits you'll get. Let's unlock deep, natural sleep. For each drink, you'll get 3 things. 1. The sleep science, why it works. 2. The recipe, how to make it. 3. The benefits, what you can expect, like falling asleep faster or reaching deeper sleep. Let's begin. The magical sleeping drinks. Number 1. Chamomile tea, the natural relaxant. Science. Chamomile contains apigenin, an antioxidant that binds to brain receptors, promoting sedation and reducing anxiety. Recipe. 1 chamomile tea bag or dried flowers. 1 cup hot water. Steep for 5 to 10 minutes. Add raw honey to taste. Benefits. Reduces anxiety and calms nerves. Promotes mild sedation for easier sleep. Soothes digestion. This is your go-to for quieting a racing mind and gentle relaxation. Number 2. Tart cherry juice, the melatonin boost. Science. One of the few natural food sources of melatonin, the hormone that regulates your sleep-wake cycle. Recipe. 1 cup, or 240 milliliters, unsweetened tart cherry juice. Serve slightly cool or at room temperature. Benefits. Directly increases melatonin levels. Enhances sleep quality and duration. High in antioxidants for recovery. Drink these 30 to 60 minutes before bed for a direct signal that it's time to sleep. Number 3. Ashwagandha tea, the stress reliever. Science. An adaptogen that lowers cortisol, the stress hormone, and balances the body's stress response. Recipe. 1/2 to 1 teaspoon ashwagandha powder. 1 cup warm milk, dairy or plant-based. Add a pinch of cinnamon and honey. Benefits. Lowers stress and cortisol. Reduces nighttime anxiety. Improves overall sleep quality. If you lie in bed stressed about your day, this is your powerful ally. Number 4. Valerian root tea, the heavyweight sedative. Science. Increases GABA, a neurotransmitter that calms brain and nervous system activity. Recipe. 1 valerian root tea bag. 1 cup hot water. Steep for 10 minutes. The longer, the stronger. Benefits. Decreases time to fall asleep. Improves deep sleep quality. Provides a potent sedative effect. This is the most powerful drink on the list, perfect for severe sleeplessness. But fair warning, the taste is earthy. Number 5. Golden milk, turmeric latte, the anti-inflammatory ritual. Science. Curcumin in turmeric reduces inflammation. Warmth and fats support serotonin, a precursor to melatonin. Recipe. 1 cup milk. 1/2 teaspoon turmeric. 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon. Pinch of black pepper, for absorption. Pinch of ginger. Warm on stove and sweeten with honey. Benefits. Reduces inflammation that disrupts sleep. Ritual signals your body to wind down. Soothes aches and pains. This is less of a drink and more of a healing ritual. It's my personal favorite. Number 6. Warm almond milk, the magnesium magic. Science. Almonds are rich in magnesium, which relaxes muscles and calms the nervous system. Most people are deficient. Recipe. 1 cup unsweetened almond milk, warmed. 1 teaspoon raw honey or maple syrup. Tiny pinch of nutmeg, optional. Benefits. Relieves muscle tension. calms the nervous system, provides tryptophan for serotonin. Think of this as a magnesium supplement in creamy, delicious form. Number 7. Warm milk and honey, the classic comfort. Science. Milk contains tryptophan, which helps produce serotonin and melatonin. Honey's carbohydrates help tryptophan reach the brain faster. Recipe: 1 cup whole milk or oat milk, warmed. 1 tablespoon raw honey. Benefits: triggers psychological comfort and nostalgia. Provides essential sleep amino acids. Simple, effective, and soothing. Never underestimate the power of a classic. Sometimes, comfort is all you need. Your challenge. Alright, so which one will you try first? I want to know. Here's your mission. Step 1. Choose your potion. Step 2. Drink it tonight. Step 3. Come back and comment your results. Type golden for golden milk, cherry for tart cherry, or valerian if you're brave. Tell me if it helped you fall asleep faster. Let's build a community of great sleepers in the comment. Outro. Thank you so much for watching. If this guide was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Cure Naturals Hub for more science-backed natural remedies. Sweet dreams.